So this is the bugginess that I have with my new 2024 Acadia Denali. It seems like almost every time I get in the car, it has something weird going on, like changes the radio station to something else that it was, the station it wasn't on before, or it's got some message on the screen, or CarPlay doesn't show up on the 3 screens like I have. But this is the biggest issue that I have with it, is that it gets into this mode, and this will be the second time this has done this week. Just start up the car. I still have control of all the physical buttons. I can still get to the controls, can do anything on this screen. But if I'm back on this screen, none of these buttons do anything. None of them. They don't do anything. Notifications works. None of these buttons work, and nothing ever comes up on the screen. If I kill the car, open the door like I got out, shut the door, start the car back up, let it go through its thing, CarPlay connects back, cell phone connects back, does not fix the issue no matter what I do. Now, what does fix the issue, which I think is silly that I have to do this, I mean, I'm hoping that this bug gets fixed. But from my understanding is, and this is I think the second time, I think the car could be running, but you hold down the hang up key here for 10 seconds and it should hard reboot the entire infotainment center and give me an error. Let's give it a shot. Yes, so 10 seconds and you get the error, infotainment features unavailable. If this problem persists, see dealer to restore the system. You can hit recovery mode and it comes back and says use recovery mode, and then it doesn't even give you the option to answer it. It just goes ahead and does it, reboots everything. My phone should come back on, I believe. Maybe it doesn't, I can't remember. Yep, it does. But see, and this is the thing it does too, is that sometimes the phone comes back on, but it doesn't allow CarPlay to work. So you have to go in and actually invoke it, which it just came back. Like I said, it's very buggy. Acting like it should now. If I stop the car, open the door, close the door, start the car back up. Let's see if it actually acts normal. Should switch to Apple CarPlay when the wireless decides to connect. Acting normal again, and it'll act normal for 2 or 3 days. Then it starts doing buggy stuff where, like I said, I'll get in the car and this will all work, but CarPlay will not show up here, but it will work on the 11-inch dash. And then just randomly it'll decide it wants to start working. But it almost always, when I get back in the car after it's been sitting for hours that I haven't driven it, whatever station it was on is not the station it was on. I have to end up going into here and then picking from my presets what I was listening to. And it usually only happens if I'm listening to FM radio versus Sirius XM. If I'm listening to an FM station, shut off the car, let it sit, get back in at 8 hours, whatever it is, 4 hours, get back in the car, nothing on the radio will be playing, and it's because it's not even on a radio station. This screen will be blank. It'll say like FM up here. Sometimes it even says AM, but nothing will be here. I have to go in, pick the station again. It should be remembering what I was on. But anyway, I hope that helps anybody that's having the problem with the screen just totally unresponsive up here. The hard reset has seemed to work every time so far, and I hope they get this bug fixed soon. Thanks.